Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about least common multiple or lowest common multiple, as I have written here. In short, we call it LCM. LCM means least or lowest common multiple. So what is meant by multiple? So multiple means the number which we get by multiplying by something, like multiple of 5. So 5 multiplied by 1 is 5, 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, 5 multiplied by 3 15, 5 multiplied by 4 20, and so on. So multiple we get by multiplying with any number. Okay, so we have to find out least common multiple. Like in the last video we have seen HCF, highest common factor of given numbers. Here we have to find out least common multiple of given numbers. Means if there are 3 numbers or 4 numbers have been given, and we have to find out the LCM. So what is the definition of LCM? The LCM of given number is the lowest number which is divisible by all the given numbers, right? So let's take an example and get understood. Suppose numbers are given like this: 10, 20, 30, and we have to find out a number which is divisible by all of these numbers. LCM means the least common number or least common multiple which is divisible by all the given numbers. Okay, so all the given numbers like 10, 20, 30. So what is the method to find out the least common multiple? Like HCF, we have two methods. First one is factorization method and second one is division method. So generally we use division method, that's why we solve this example by division method. So first we have to put these numbers like we did in HCF. Now we have to find out a number which can divide all the given numbers. Okay, if there is a number which can divide all the given numbers, then divide. If suppose there are some numbers which cannot be divided, which all cannot be divided a given number, then find at least 2 numbers which can be divided by a common number. Okay, so we will take that type of example afterward. So let's solve this example: 10, 20, 30. Now solve with the least number. 2 can divide all the given numbers, so let's solve 5, 10 and 15. Again 5, 10, 15 are divisible by 5, so divide with 5. 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3 are not divisible by any common number, or at least 2 of them also cannot divisible by any common number. That's why LCM is equal to, so LCM of the given numbers, the common factors 2 into 5, which we used to do in HCF, but in LCM what we have to do, with common factors we have to take these remaining factors also in multiplication. Okay, so common factors as well as non-common factors, that is 1 into 2 into 3. So we need not to write 1, so we should write only 2 and 3. So 2 into 5, 10, into 2 into 3, 6. So LCM is 60. Means 60 is a number, 60 is the lowest number which is divisible by all the given numbers. 60 is divisible by 10, yes. 60 is divisible by 20, yes. 60 is divisible by 30. So 60 is the lowest number which is divisible by all the given numbers. There are multiple numbers which are divisible by all of these numbers, like 120. 120 is divisible by all the 3 numbers. Okay, 180, 240, 360 and so on. So there are multiple numbers which are divisible by all the given numbers. But what does our definition say? Definition says LCM is the lowest number, means there are thousands of number, but 60 is the lowest of them. 60 is the lowest common multiple. Okay, so LCM we can find out in this way. So let's take another example. Okay, the definition of LCM I will write on the screen, okay, afterwards. So next example we will take 16, 24, 36 and 54. Now there are four numbers and the method is same: 16, 24, 36 and 54. Okay, so all the given numbers are divisible by 2. Yes, therefore we start with 2. 27. Okay, now 8, 12 and 18, these are even numbers and 27 is odd number. So all the given numbers are not divisible by any common number. These three are divisible by 2, but the 27 is not divisible by 2. Okay, so what I told, if we can divide at least two numbers by a common number, then we shall go ahead. So there are three numbers which are divisible by 3, which are divisible by 2. Okay, so we will divide by 2. So after dividing, the numbers are 4, 6, 9, and the number which is not divisible, take it as it is. So 27 is not divisible, therefore 27 remain 27. Okay, next, don't divide 27 by 2. Okay, like 13.5, don't write 13.5, take it as it is. Okay, next, 4, 6, 9 and 27. So 4 and 6 are divisible by 2, and 6, 9, 27, these three numbers are divisible by 3. So we start with smallest number, which is 2. So after dividing by 2, 2, 3, and these two are not divisible by 2, therefore we will keep it them as it is. Now 2 is the only even number and these three are odd numbers, and all these three numbers are divisible by 3, therefore we shall divide by 3. Okay, so 2 is not divisible by 3, therefore we will keep 2 as it is. Then after dividing these three numbers by 3, we get 1, 3 and 9. Okay, again 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. Okay, so let's again divide by 3, 1, 3, and these two numbers are as it is. Now there are no any two numbers which are divisible by a common number. Okay, so let's find out LCM is equal to these factors which are common. So write them: 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 multiplied by these remaining factors, 2 into 3, 2 into 3. So multiplication is 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into 3 into 3 into 3, 27 into 2. Okay, then 8 into 2, 16 multiplied by 27, and the answer is 16 multiplied by 27 is 432. So the answer, which is LCM of the given numbers, is 432. So 432 is the common and least number which is divisible by all the given numbers. Okay, and remember, multiple is always greater than the given number. Multiple of any number is always greater than or equal to that number. Like in HCF, we told that HCF of given numbers is less than or equal to given number. In this example, we can say that LCM, or in any example, LCM is always greater than or equal to the given numbers. Okay, so let's take another example. Okay, so next example will be 12, 15, 20 and 27. So 12, 15, 20, 27. So now 12, 20, these two numbers are even number and divisible by 2. 15, 27 and 12, these three numbers are divisible by 3. But let's start with smallest number. So we shall divide by 3. Divide with 2, then 6 and 10, the numbers, and 15 and 27 are not divisible, but therefore we keep them as it is. Okay, now 6, 10 are divisible by 2 and 15, 27 are as it is. Now there is no even number, so we cannot divide with 2, but 3, 15, 27, these three numbers are divisible by 3. So let's divide with 3. So after dividing 1, then 5, then 9 and 5 as it is. Okay, so now there are two 5s, so we can divide 5 with 5. So 1, 1 and remaining numbers 1 and 9. Okay, so let's find out LCM. So LCM is equal to the common factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 multiplied by remaining factor. So only 9 is the number. So 9. So 3 into 2, 6 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 5 into 2, 10. Okay. Then 6 into 9, 54 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 540. Okay, so 540 is the least common multiple which is exactly divisible by all the given numbers. So let's take a bigger example. So let's start 22, 54, 108, 135 and 198. Okay, so these 4 are even numbers, so let's divide with 2. So after dividing 2, 11, 27, 54 and 99. 135 is not divisible, therefore we keep it as it is. Then 11, 27, 54. So only 54 is the even number and all are odd numbers. So let's try with 3. So 27, 54, 135 and 99 are divisible by 3. So if you remember divisibility test of 3, then we can easily find out which number are divisible by 3. So 135 is divisible by 3 or not? What is the divisibility test of 3? If the sum of all digits is divisible by 3, then the given number is also divisible by 3. So 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. So sum 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore 135 is divisible by 3. So let's divide with 3. 11 is not divisible. Therefore it is as it is. Then 9, 18, 45 and 33. Again 9, 18, 45, 33 are divisible by 3. So let's divide with 3. And 11. So instead of dividing by 3, we could be able to divide this number with 9, because the sum is 9 plus 9, 18, divisible by 9. The sum of 135 is 9, which is divisible by 9. 54 is divisible by 9 and 27 is divisible by 9. But we started with smallest number. So again 11, 3, 5, 6. Okay, 3, 6 and 15. These three numbers are divisible by 3. So 1, 2 and 5, and these two 11s are constant. So 11, 11, these two numbers are divisible by 11, therefore 1, 1, and remaining factors 1, 2 and 5. So now there are no two such numbers which are divisible by a common number. Okay, so let's find out LCM. LCM is equal to multiplication of these numbers, these common factors, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 11, and remaining factors only 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. So the multiplication is 3 into 3 into 3, 27 into 2, 54, multiplied by 11 multiplied by 5 into 2, 10. So 54 into 11. There is a formula or shortcut. There is a shortcut for multiplying by 11. If two-digit number is multiplied by 11, then remember the answer is write these two numbers like this: 5, 4. Keep the space in between and write the sum of these two numbers in between them. So 5 plus 4, 9, and this is the answer. When 54 is divided by 11, 54 is multiplied by 11, then the answer is 594. Remember this trick. Then into 10, so answer is 5940. Okay, so in this way we can solve any example regarding LCM. In the next video we shall find LCM of decimal fractions. Okay, decimal fractions we taken in HCF of decimal fraction. You know, if you haven't seen the video, then see the video regarding HCF. Okay, in the same way we shall find LCM of decimal fractions. Okay, thank you and keep studying.